Welcome back, dear students. Let's start our today's English class. Yesterday we have done the use of indefinite articles, and today we will try to learn the use of definite articles, and our definite article is the. As I have already told you the meaning of definite. Definite means something that is sure, समथिंग दैट इज सर्टेन, जिसके बारे में हमें कहीं ना कहीं पक्का पता है. ठीक है. सो वी विल यूज द आर्टिकल द बिफोर द नाउन which is somewhere sure, certain or unique in itself. Okay, we will do it in detail, but before that I would like to tell you the use of article before an adjective. We have done the use of indefinite article before the adjective which is in its positive form, means we use indefinite articles before the positive degree of adjective. Here the is also used before the before an adjective, but it is used before the superlative degree of adjective. I have already told you that what are positive, comparative and superlative degree. Superlative degree की पहचान कैसे होती है? See, it ends with est or it will have most before the adjective. Okay, like good, better, best, best, best. Tall, taller, tallest, est. Okay, similarly, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So whenever there is a positive degree of superlative degree of adjective, we use the before it. Now let's do our topic of definite article in detail, that where to use the. Here you can see the first rule that where we use the is it is used before a particular person or a thing. Particular person or a thing means when we already know the noun which we are talking about. It means when speaker as well as the listener know it well that about which noun they are talking. तो वहाँ पर हम लोग क्या यूज़ करेंगे? The. For example, you can say here, did Rita get the job applied for? Did Rita get the job applied for? अब यहाँ पर the कहाँ यूज़ किया है? It is used before the job. जॉब तो कोई भी हो सकती है, फिर इसके आगे द क्यों लगाया? Because Rita had applied for some job. Okay, and now the speaker is asking for that particular job which was applied by Rita. So that's why the is put here. Okay. See the third example. This is the boy. This is the boy I met yesterday. Boy तो कोई भी हो सकता है, बट यहाँ पर स्पीकर उस पर्टिकुलर बॉय के बारे में बात कर रहा है whom he or she met a day before. Okay. Second, it is used to denote a whole class or a kind. When a complete community or a complete class of a species is being discussed in a sentence, then also we use the before it. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. The dog, यहाँ पर किसी एक डॉग के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही, एक स्पेसिफिक काइंड ऑफ एनिमल के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, which is called dog, and that's why we have put here the. The horse runs fast. We are talking about every horse. We are talking about the horse community. That horse runs fast. Third, you can see it is used before common nouns which are names of things unique of their kind. Unique. When a common noun is unique in itself, It is a common noun, but it is having its unique identity. Then also we use the before that noun. For example, the sun, the earth, the moon, the world. The sun is unique in itself. आप अर्थ को सन नहीं बोल सकते, आप सन को अर्थ नहीं बोल सकते, मून को सन नहीं बोलेंगे. द वर्ल्ड, we are known to only one world that is existing on earth. So that's why world is also a unique noun. That's why we have put the here. Next, it is used before the names of direction and dates of months. डायरेक्शंस के नेम्स के आगे, अब आप देखेंगे कि डायरेक्शंस के आगे द लगाते हैं और इसमें हमारा ये ऊपर वाला रूल भी लागू होता है, दैट वी यूज व्हेन इट इज़ हैविंग इट्स यूनिक आइडेंटिटी और यूनिक नेम. अब डायरेक्शंस also have their unique name. East means east direction. East does not means north, south or west. Okay. एंड सेकेंड बिफोर द डेट्स ऑफ मंथ्स, जब मंथ से पहले उसकी डेट भी लिखी गई है तो वहाँ पर भी हम क्या लगाएंगे, द. यू कैन सी हेयर द 10th ऑफ नवंबर. नेक्स्ट, it is used before the superlative degree of an adjective. This we have already discussed, that whenever a superlative degree is used before a noun, then also we write the best boy. Uttar Pradesh is the most populated state of India. Next, where to use the? It is used before the names of oceans, rivers, gulfs, seas, mountain ranges, group of islands. जब आप किसी पर्टिकुलर माउंटेन रेंज, ओशन, सीज, रिवर्स या आइलैंड ग्रुप्स की बात करेंगे, देयर ऑल्सो वी पुट द बिफोर देयर नेम्स. वाई? बिकॉज their names are also unique in itself. If we are talking about Himalayas, it means those mountain ranges which makes the north boundary of India. आप एल्प्स को हिमालयस नहीं बोल सकते, आप किसी और माउंटेन रेंज को हिमालयस नहीं बोल सकते. हिमालयस आर दोज माउंटेन रेंजेस which makes the northern boundary of India. Similarly, rivers, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Indus, okay, so they have their unique names. Similar is with the mountain ranges, oceans, seas or the island groups. Next is, it is used before the names of races or nations. Okay, races or nations means when we talk about people belongs to some particular race, some particular community or a particular country or nation. You can see the example here. The first example is the Indians are found in almost all the countries. The Indians. We are not talking about India. We are talking about citizens of India or the people of India. Okay. So here we have put the. The English. English, we are not talking about your subject or the English language. We are talking about English people. Now who are English people? English people belongs to England. So third is the Muslim, and in fourth we have the Hindus. Here we are talking to people who belongs to Muslim or the Hindu community. Clear? Next, we use it before the names of newspaper, religious books, famous buildings. इनके नेम्स के साथ भी हमेशा हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, द ट्रिब्यून, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया लगाते हैं ना आप, जितने भी इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं उनके नेम्स के साथ क्या लगेगा, द. रिलीजियस बुक्स, द गीता, द कुरान, द बाइबल, द रामायणा, द महाभारत. फेमस बिल्डिंग, आप हमारे घर के आसपास कोई बिल्डिंग है, हम उसके साथ द नहीं लगाएंगे. हम अपने घर के नेम या हमारे घर का हमने कोई नाम रखा है, हम उसके साथ द नहीं लगाएंगे. But yes, if there is any particular unique famous building, we put the before it, like the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, okay, the Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower. So we put the before the famous building or famous monuments. Famous ship, unique ship, the Titanic. Titanic is the famous one. That's why it is written the. Next, it is used before the proper noun, material noun and abstract noun to make them common noun. Here, when we use a noun, or you can say when we compare the quality of a noun with another one. How? Here we are talking about Kalidas, and what we are saying that Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India, means he has somewhere the similar qualities equivalent to the Shakespeare, and that's why he is called the Shakespeare of India. He is the Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore. The water of this well, the water. Water is uncountable noun, but here we are talking about a water of particular well. एक particular कुएं के पानी की बात हो रही है. That's why it is written here the. Next, we use the before musical instrument. आपको याद होगा मैंने टेस्ट में आपको एक सेंटेंस दिया था. My daughter is learning to play dash guitar in her school. Guitar is a name of a musical instrument. So what will we put there? The. तो कोई भी म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो हम बजाते हैं उसके नाम के साथ क्या लगता है? The. उसके नेम से जस्ट बिफोर क्या लगेगा? The. इन्वेंशंस के साथ द टेलीफोन, द बल्ब, द रेडियो, ओके, द फैन. नेक्स्ट, वी यूज द बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ आवर body part, the head, the back, the leg. Fine. Next, it is used before the political parties. Now again we can say that each and every political party has its unique name. सिमिलर नेम तो टू पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के नहीं मिलेंगे ना. आप कांग्रेस को बीजेपी नहीं बोलेंगे, कांग्रेस को आप कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी नहीं बोलेंगे. कांग्रेस इज द कांग्रेस ओनली. ओके, सो वी पुट द बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. Now let's see where not to use articles. Okay, now where don't we use articles? We don't use articles with proper nouns. अब यहाँ पर बच्चे ज़्यादातर कंफ्यूज होते हैं बेटा, that we use articles before common and proper noun. We use a before common nouns and before common noun and the before proper noun. No, it is not about common and proper. It is about general and specific. Okay, we use a and an with general noun and we use the with specific noun. तो अब हम सबके नेम्स भी प्रॉपर नेम्स हैं, तो हम अपने नेम के साथ कभी द नहीं लगाएंगे. द संदीप कौर बिहान. आई एम नॉट द संदीप कौर बिहान, आई एम संदीप कौर बिहान. Similarly, but there is a note, but we say the Punjab, the USA, the Deccan Plateau. Look here.